Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix to call allow WhatsApp access to your microphone, tap settings permission and turn microphone on in your Android mobile. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are making a audio call or video call, then you are seeing to call allow WhatsApp access to your microphone, tap settings and permissions. Then I'll show you how to fix this issue. Guys, mostly this problem occurs when you have not allowed the permission for your microphone in your WhatsApp. So I'll show you how to do this. First of all, you have to just long press on your WhatsApp. Here you will find this I option. Click on this I. After that, you can see your permissions. Just tap on that permissions. Here you can see not allowed, call log, camera, contact, location, microphone. You have to allow all the permissions one by one. Just select call log, allow, then go back. Select the camera, allow, then go back. Like this, you have to allow all the permissions. Especially for your microphone. After selecting all these permissions, then go back. Then open your WhatsApp. Hope after doing this, you will not see this type of error again. That's it guys. So in this way, you can fix to call allow WhatsApp access to your microphone in your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.